Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S came out here with another reaction. Woo. I'm gonna waste some time another one here. One here, Khago. Like every day, me react to a Khago song. Khago, slow down and give me a break. Just give me a break, my bro. Give me a break. You see me? Literally, give me a break, bro. Yeah, you kill song right now. Like, go easy for a little piece. Just a little piece. Just ease up. Just take a foot off, I guess, for a little bit. I wanna name Khago. This Your Friend. The song name This Your Friend. Khago singing. Alright, so we're gonna jump in one and hear where the sky got with the bang bang and say, let's go.
Swag record.
Big up Swag Records.
Tell them I need no rain. Swag me no need no rain. Swag me no need no rain.
The boy them violate and sell out them true friend young for a new yeah.
Enough man, I know that, you know. Then we have them bona fide bridging. Then we have them bridging. And because them start talk to one girl now, them sell out them bridging for the new girl. Them sell out them bridging for the girl. Like your bridging will always be your bridging will always. Some woman do it too, you know. Some woman do it where them meet a man and them stop talk to them friend and them thing there until them and the man in a problem. You see them around back. Me not have no advice for you. Me not have no advice for you. No, I'm not no advice for you. Don't ask me about no relationship advice. I'm single. Look at me. Yeah. Also remember, friend. FRIEND. END at the end. One day it will come to an end. On the salvation last forever. Yeah? Yeah. Yeah. Watch it now.
The boy them violate and sell out them true friend young for a new yeah. Them no normal. I saw them corner. Y'all run them in as usual. Y'all no y'all can make me and my friend follow. Me and my friend Wally suffering line all over one waist fracture. And y'all the boy this him friend them sell out like a kid.
From my ear fractal, I know some I can call acting name now. Yo, Jano, Khago, you low acting now. That's low him now. Low him no man, low acting.
Y'all can make me and my friend follow. Me and my friend Wally suffering line all over one waist fracture. And y'all the boy this him friend them sell out like a kid.
The man say over one fractal, over one new fractal. The boy this him friend them and sell them out like acting. Jesus Christ.
Over one waist fracture. And y'all the boy this him friend them sell out like a kid. So we not sell out cause we want the line.
Yeah, we want to lie.
And we not this we friend them not day no night no time.
Yeah, we want to lie.
Remember say him say nah sell out my friend them part 1 and part 2, you know. Nah sell out my friend them one day if me. No. Nah sell out my friend them one day if them say the same. Remember, say at the part 2 that, you know, nah, sell out, my friend. That is the first. So, him and tell us from them then until now. Still not sell out. I mean, nah, sell out. You know? Yeah.
So we not sell out, cause we want to line. Me get a new girl, my friend get a new girl. Matter of fact, you me give me no side, y'all. All of my friend them clean. And the time I pull up for the scene. Swag a 2 girl in the demand. 3 in the end. And a fully loaded magazine. Scene. Yeah, me knock around my friends with the girl them. And then the boy want do that a friend problem.
Yo, I'm not go around my friend them for girl, brother. I'm not go around my friend them, brother. I'm not this my friend them for no woman, bro. Yes, we love the woman them. Yes, we want to run the woman them. Yes, we want woman, but we not this we friend for them, brother. Yeah. No, sir.
Yeah, me knock around my friends with the girl them. And then the boy want do that a friend problem. You this your friend for your girl cause you not rate him. You violate and cause hating. So
You violate and cause hating. This your friend for you, yo. Enough, let me say enough people do that, bro. Enough people do it.
this your friend for your girl cause you not rate him. You violate and cause hating.
So we not sell out cause we want to lie. Yeah, we want to lie.
And we not this we friend them not day no night no time.
Yeah, we want to lie.
I don't want to think that this is a diss song towards Acting, you know. This is a general song. It's not a diss song, alright? So, Acting fans them, I don't want to see you in the comment section attack one bag of foolish. This is not a clash song. This is not a diss song. This is a general song, alright?
And we not this we friend them not day no night no time.
Yeah, we want to lie.
So we not sell out cause we want to lie. Me get a new girl, my friend get a new girl. Matter of
The girl run them head as usual. Them a girl clown. Them a girl chimney. Girl piss pot. Girl run them head as usual. And nothing new. You're known for that. You're known for ditching your friend them for the girls them. You know that.
Yeah, them no normal. I saw them corner. Girl run them in as usual. You know girl can't make me and my friend follow. Me and my friend while it's suffering line all over one way is fractal. And you the boy this him friend them sell out like a kid. So we not sell out cause we want the line. Yeah, we want the line. And we not this with friend them not day no night no time. Yeah, we want the line. So we not sell out cause we want the line. Me get a new girl, my friend get a new girl. Matter of fact, you me give me friend 3 girl.
Man say although him get a new girl and him friend get a new girl, him still a give him friend 3 girl. So him have whole heap of girl. So him have whole heap of girl. Big up the ladies them and know say yo. Them nah this them friend. Fin a man. Big up ladies them and know say yo. Them nah this them friend. Fin a man yo.
So when I sell out, I want the line. Want the line. No day, no night, no time. Line.
Yeah.
Want the line.
Hold the line.
Matter of fact, when me get my friend 3 girl.
Yo, big up Bang Bang. Big up Sky God. Big up Khago himself. Yo, bad song, bad concept. This has been something that's been going on for years and years when man sell out them friend girl, you know. Girl sell out them friend for man. See me, you see me? Khago, this is your time, bro. Like, this is your time. The world is listening, bro. The world is listening, so give it what we want. And you're doing that. Your job song. Your job song. You see me? As far as the war is concerned, the war done now. The war done now from acting side anyway. Khago say not done. But I think, me personally, I think Khago for us easy now and just go and go drop some banger song like them song, yeah, and the song when him drop Sideman Feelings. I like that song there. That song that they can repeat from react to it till now. So yeah, big up yourself, Sky God, Bang Bang, Khagonians, big up on yourself, see him in the comments. Thanks for the support. Khago, keep doing it, bro. Your time, G. Your time, bro. You see me? Yeah. Big up the producer also, Swag Records. Alright? This time I'm gonna leave that one. If you enjoyed the one and want to see more, leave a like on the video. Subscribe around there if you're new, so you know, so yo, you're there when the video them drop. You're not just a pass through and see it in your recommendations. You know me? So let's do the right thing and don't make the wrong day. Is it? Alright. I'll see you in the next one.